Fresh air plays an important role in keeping a home comfortable and inviting. Good ventilation helps regulate indoor temperatures, remove stale air, and create a healthier living environment. For homeowners in Eagle, double-hung windows offer a practical and effective way to improve airflow throughout living spaces. Their unique design allows for flexible ventilation that supports comfort without sacrificing ease of use. Why ventilation matters in everyday living. Indoor air can become stagnant when airflow is limited. Cooking, daily activities, and temperature changes all contribute to air that needs to circulate and refresh. In Eagle homes, proper ventilation helps living spaces feel lighter and more comfortable. Double-hung windows support this by allowing homeowners to control how and where air moves through the home. The advantage of dual sash operation. What sets double-hung windows apart is their dual sash design. Both the top and bottom sections of the window can be opened independently. For Eagle homeowners, this means greater control over ventilation. Opening the top sash allows warm air to escape, while the bottom sash can be opened to bring in cooler air. This natural airflow pattern improves comfort throughout the room. Encouraging natural air circulation. Double-hung windows promote natural air circulation by supporting the movement of air upward and outward. Warm air naturally rises, and the top sash provides a path for it to exit. In Eagle living spaces, this circulation helps prevent stuffiness and reduces the need for constant mechanical airflow. Rooms feel fresher and more comfortable throughout the day. Improving ventilation without creating drafts. Some window styles allow airflow but create strong drafts that disrupt comfort. Double-hung windows offer controlled ventilation. Eagle homeowners can adjust the sashes to fine-tune airflow, letting in fresh air without overwhelming the space. This balance helps maintain a pleasant indoor environment. Enhancing comfort in high-use rooms. Living rooms, bedrooms, and family areas benefit the most from improved ventilation. These are spaces where people spend the most time and notice air quality changes quickly. Double-hung windows help Eagle homeowners keep these rooms well ventilated, supporting relaxation, focus, and everyday comfort. Supporting ventilation in multi-level homes. In homes with multiple levels, ventilation becomes even more important. Double-hung windows help release warm air that gathers on upper floors. For Eagle homeowners, opening the top sash on upper-level windows allows trapped heat to escape, improving comfort throughout the home. Maintaining privacy while ventilating. Ventilation often comes with privacy concerns, especially in bedrooms or street-facing rooms. Double-hung windows address this by allowing ventilation through the top sash. Eagle homeowners can enjoy fresh air while keeping the lower sash closed, maintaining privacy without sacrificing airflow. Easy operation encourages regular use. Windows that are difficult to open often go unused, limiting ventilation. Double-hung windows are designed for smooth, simple operation. Eagle homeowners are more likely to use windows regularly when opening and closing them is effortless. This consistent use supports better airflow and comfort over time. Long-term ventilation benefits. You can count on. Double-hung windows are designed to maintain their performance over the years. With proper installation and routine care, they continue to support effective ventilation. For homeowners in Eagle, this means reliable airflow without constant adjustments or maintenance concerns. A practical upgrade for better airflow. Improving ventilation doesn't require complicated solutions. Double-hung windows provide a straightforward way to enhance airflow while maintaining comfort and control. For homeowners in Eagle, double-hung windows improve ventilation in living spaces by offering flexible airflow, easy operation, and everyday comfort, helping homes feel fresher, more inviting, and easier to enjoy.